So this is interesting. You see these two ladies here? Okay, they're not influencers. Let me tell you, they're not influencers. They're not some hot chicks, you know, trying to promote themselves or whatever. These are basically people working to sell cars on a live feed. Yes, listen to her. So there you have it. In China, they have people selling cars online, live feed, as it happens. Can we do this in Malaysia? Can we do this business? And at the same time, she's answering messages. Now this is multitasking at a different level. Anyway, that's the new Xpeng P7. You see, we're so taken by this lady selling cars online that we forgot about this beautiful, gorgeous Xpeng that is coming to Malaysia.